welcome to Siquijor!
Welcome back to my channel. This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places.
Hi guys! So I'm here now in Pier 1 in Cebu City. So I am off to Siquijor. So mamaya ikwento ko yung details. Kasi dami kong bagahe. This is my life. Possible pala na ito lang yung bitbitin ko. It's gonna be for 1 month. So yeah, nasa free diver. See you Siquijor. It's 11, past 11 a.m. Waiting for this is my boarding gate by the way. So maya ko ulit ikwento. Sobrang daming tao. Ayan o, puno. Because it's Saturday. This is my food. Going to eat first. Bago lumayag. Para na, massage port. Yung galing, ito siguro yung galing Dumaguete, the Montenegro line. Grabe, oh, sobrang clear ng water. Wow, daming starfish, guys, look. Ooh, so many starfish. Wow, guys, yan yung sinakyan ko from Cebu going to Tagbilaran to Siquijor. So ayan yung water. Grabe, ganda pa rin ng Siquijor after how many years. Excited. So off you go. May sunset kaso. Look at that. It's too cloudy. But still, the weather is good. Thank you, Lord. And here in Siquijor, this is just a random trip without any plans at all. So, see you, Siquijor. Kaya naman pala ganito lang yung gamit ko. Char. Ayun, ganda pa rin ang Siquijor, guys. Welcome to Siquijor. Diyan. Wala akong masasakit. After resting rocket. Diyan! Ayun, guys. Okay, it's here in Siquijor. Ate Kay and Rod. I'm here again. After how many years? Nakabisita ulit ng Siquijor. So, guys, you can book your ticket and, online. Ocean Jet. So, they have a trip from Cebu via Tagbilaran going to Siquijor. So that would cost you around 1,600, but there's a processing fee which is around 160. So ayun. Grabe, ang ganda pa rin na Siquijor. Port pa lang, super clear yung water. So ayun. Samahan niyo ako sa adventure ko to. This is just so spontaneous trip. So ayun. Okay, welcome to Siquijor. Nandiyo na yung mga guests. Sorry lang guys. Ako lang yung ayusan ha. So, ang mga tricycle is 300 pesos. San Juan. Pwede na po do. Hi guys, good evening. It's almost 7 p.m. Ito ko ngayon sa Tahanan Resort to have my dinner. Ayan na. Haba ng nilakad ko.
Wow, ang ganda naman dito. So, tingnan natin dito tayo kakain. Tsa! Yung surveys ng tahanan resort. O, diba? Dinner! Hi guys! Good morning! So, I'm here in Siquijor right now. This is my first day. This is the reception area. Kasi wala pang tao. So, last night, may storm. So, ayan. Ayan yung nangyari. So, I'm having my breakfast here. Walang masyadong tao. I think na hindi pa siya season. Or maybe because, ano, katatapos lang ng bagyo. So, ayun. Ayan lang. This is for 600 per capsule. Parang siyang dorm style. Pero meron din silang private rooms. So, yan lang. Ciao! Kapikugan Marine Sanctuary. Coach.
It's waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Guys, we're here in Tulapos Marine Sanctuary. So, but first, register mo na, of course. Pero ang ganda. Ito pala yung ano. Yung lalakarin, yung nilalakaran nila. Going sa Tulapos Marine Sanctuary. Medyo mahaba-haba. Dive day today.
hindi ako nag-runic. I tried their capsule dorm, and then later I will be transferring to a private room. So ayun lang. Look at that, the sun is out. Anyways guys, itutur ko kayo later ha. Upstairs, that's the reception area. The lower part is the capsule dorms. So ayun lang guys, kasi text ko pa si Kuya. Diyan! Beautiful morning. This is the resting robin. We would like to take shower, see our private rooms. This is the way. So, naglilinis si caretaker today. Have to walk, and then this is the bathroom. Oh no, CR pala yan. And then another daanan. And then this is the coolest part. So this is for the dorms. So ito yung bathroom nila. Tadan! Hello nature. Bam! Mas maganda sa gabi guys kasi mailaw. So ayan lang, share ko lang. Tapos yun, doon yung private rooms yan. Hindi ko na pupuntahan mamaya. Pupunta tayo pag nag-check-in ako. Diyan, matane! After my next tour. Morning! Tour! So, hi guys. Maya na, bakit? Malayo pa. Ah, malayo pa? So, ito yung daanan papuntang Lagaan Falls. Malayo pa daw, sabi ni Kuya. Lo? Di nga. Yun lang. Sa oras po sabi ni Kuya guys. Sa oras lang? Sa oras lang. Meron pala ditong hiker. Kaya pala. Ayan, sila yung kasama ko, si Angela and Shikai. Hi! Explore tayo. Explore tayo. Isang oras daw. Tingnan nga natin kung isang oras talaga. Orasan. Naka-join lang ako sa tour nila guys. Saling kiat-kiat lang ako. Hello from the Philippines. Char. Hi guys. So, ilang minutes na walk? 5 lang no? 5 lang. Sabi ni Kuya an hour. So yun guys, this is Lagaan Falls. Nag-buffer up doon. So this is Lagaan Falls. 50 pesos at entrance. And then we have a guide that's mandatory. So the guide fee from the bottom of your beautiful heart. Ayan lang. From the bottom of your beautiful heart. Ayan lang. I'm glad meron akong kasama sa Shikaya ng Jalaya. So picture muna kami. Pwede kang magpa swing. Ready na po. Woohoo! Ay, galing. Ay, galing. Tingin dito.
Okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Boom! Hi guys! Punta kayo here ng maaga kasi konti lang kami. Private nung mga few minutes. 30 minutes. Ang saya, ang galing ng mga Sikihor guide. Para sa videos and pictures. Ayan. May mga few people na. So, may nagpipicture na doon. Excited ako share yung videos! Yeah! So, hi guys. Explore namin yung ibang area. Ay, meron pala daan Ayan! Are you ready? Ay, okay lang pala dito, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Oh, ganda. Guys, ito yung itsura sa taas. Waterfall. May mga mini waterfall. Waterfall! Ganon. Hi, Angelea. Ayan yung main waterfall, tinatalunan.
Okay. Okay, dahan lang. Tapos sa salita. Okay, relax muna dyan, mama.
Namin si Kuya Rene. Very good kaayo. So pag naamo dire sa nilaga, ano yun? Laagan?
Lagaan.
Lagaan. Lagaan ng itlog. Hanapin niyo si Kuya Rene. Or, pero by number kayo kuya, no?
Oh, 27.
Number 27 daw, oh. Sulit kayo. Very sulit, guys. So look for Kuya Rene. Yan lang, ja! Guys, another waterfall here in Siquijor, Kawasan Falls and Cave. Baka same to sa Cebu. Paglabas namin Cebu na to, guys. Ha! Joke. Ito yung daanan. Wow, solo ulit namin. Solo ulit. So, lalat namin, guys. Hello! So, hi guys. This is Kawasan Falls and Cave. Ayan. Hanggang doon. Okay. Ganda. Ibang ano naman. Ibang vibe naman siya. From the other waterfalls. So, today is Chasing Waterfall Day. Ja! Walking stick? Walking stick daw, guys. Bakit mag-walk ang stick? Hi guys, in Kawasan. Mabilis na kami. We still have few more destinations. Ayun lang. We're off to Lukong Falls, another waterfall here in Siquijor. So another hike. Mga ilang minutes to, te? 10? 5 minutes lang. Huh? 5? Oh. 5 minutes lang daw, guys. So roughly 5 to 10 minutes kung mabagal ka, baka 10. So ayun. Entrance 50. Parang ano? Yeah. Ano nila dito yung entrance, always 50 pesos. So ayun lang. Yeah, magpipicture lang daw kami dito. Let's see. So magpipicture lang. Different vibe naman here. Oh, diba? Yo! Sakto-sakto mag-kitesurfing ngayon. So, hi guys! Welcome to La Canopée. Pay? I don't know how to pronounce. So, 200 consumable. Stairway to the mountain. Char. To the La Canopée. Ganda ng view dito, oh. Yes, that's dragon fruit.
Wanna try? Maybe.
Sarap. Sarap yan. Yung in-order namin guys, pangalawa. Yung bruschetta na, ubos na. Gutom na. By the view. Ay. Bayad pa day. Bayad. Entrance for 100. Silang bar. This is Kawayan Holiday Resort. Wow, it's so nice. Kaso sobrang lakas ng hangin. Yan o, pa ako. Aura. This is, ano yung pangalan? You Story. You Story, My Story. Our Story. Char. I-judge muna ni ano. May mumu. Ay, maganda naman. Guys, this is in You Story.
Dito na lang kayo, wag na sa
Huy. Yan na, ganda na presentation nila guys. And it's affordable here. Yan, mga newly found princess, mermaid princess. Happy Fiesta!
Ay, oo nga pala. Excuse me? Pwede pumiram ng supon?
So, hi guys! Happy Tuesday. Doon pala ako nagstay. Yung mga private rooms nila. Hindi na ako makapag-tour because it's so makalat. Maybe pag naayos ko siya tomorrow. And, yeah. I'm off to another destination. So, nakaganto na ako kasi hindi na ako mag-swimming. Hindi na mag-swimming ang person. So, lunch lang and then few destinations. And then, itatry natin yung mga food here in Sikihor. Hopefully. So, ayun lang. Ciao! Pero cake na, tari, dagko? Uy, dagko.
Tanongin natin ulit mamaya.
Sige. Loco. So, for vegetarian. Guys, we're trying this purple yum. Famous man to. So, ayan. Dito natin nakita sa Sikihor. I think they have as well in Dumaguete. So, ayan. Ciao!
This is for 70 pesos, no? 70 pesos lang. Ayan, slice of cake kung gusto niya lang tikman. Tapos meron din silang ano, ayan, yung price list nila. Tara! Yun yung famous na ano. Yun yung famous na cliff. A bit scary though. Pero for the pictures and for the gram. By the way, you have to pay ano 50 pesos para sa ano taga video and picture. Site lang. So, yan. By the way guys, this is actually perfect for sunset. Go, Kuya! The videographer ng si Kihor. Woo! Oh, pak.
Tapos mag-gawa na sila ulit.
Yan. Ganda dito guys. 30 pesos lang entrance. Only picture. Ganda. Ayun lang. So 50 pesos for the videographer and photographer. Wow. Pag makakita talaga ng puno. Wow. Ganda. So, highly recommended ang Pitubo Cliff sa mga ano, Instagrammers and mahilig mag-pictures. Yan lang, dyan. So, we're here na. Welcome to Lugnason Falls. Lugnason. Okay. Si Kuya guide. So, it's mandatory to have a guide here. So, yun na. Welcome to Lugnason Falls. Can you hear the sound, guys?
Hello guys!
Ayan. Ang ganda, in fairness. So, this is an option to those people na gusto nila ng peace and, few people. Ay, so, guys, as per the guide, ano nga yun, Kuya? You can, hike.
Yeah.
There are 12 waterfall. Oh, diba?
River trekking.
Yes. River?
Yeah, river trekking to the 12 waterfall to the side.
Wow, oh. See? 12 waterfalls. So, walang-wala yung Kambugahay. And, this is amazing, promise. Parang, solo mo yung falls. Ha? Pag-check lang dito, guys. But it's just for around 3 minutes, I think. And, 20 pesos lang for environmental fee and donation for the guide. So, ayun lang. Sikihor, you are amazing. Ja! Guys. This is the Kapilay Spring. Ayan. So, dito daw galing yung water na itubod. Wow. So, diba? Tapos, it's actually huge. Like, super huge. And it's for free. Diba? Yan. Tapos hanggang doon. So, this is a public area. For free. No entrance fee. No donation or whatsoever. So, ayun. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ganda.
So, may pa-sunset pa dun in case. During summer. So, ayun. Naitubo dihaw. Padyo isda, oh. Look. So, ito yung other side. So, as per the guide, hindi daw to nauubusan ng water. Wow! What a blessing! Walang ganito sa ibang ano. So, this is a different. Pero dito, you're not allowed to swim here. Only on the other side. So, ayun lang. Ja! So, this is Paliton Beach. Ayan. So, perfect for sunset. Another area for sunset, for swimming. Oh, yun, nagka-kite surfing. Yeah. One of the activity. Kasi habagat season ngayon. So, that's the reason why. Parang nag-iba ngayon yung Paliton. I'm not sure. The first time that we visited Siquijor. But yeah, they have the swing. Tapos donation lang. Tapos entrance fee na 20 pesos. So yan, medyo madaming tao kasi sunset na. Ayan. Sunset. Tara. Siquijor Boulevard. Malapit sa port. Ang dami mga ihaw-ihaw. You can have your dinner here. Maganda dito yung sunset by the way. Kaso, hindi namin naabutan ng kuya kasi nanap namin yung purple jam. Ayan lang. Diyan. With me. So, I'm going back to Cebu via ocean jet. And yeah, I think this is the end of my Siquijor video. So, what I noticed in Siquijor is that they do accept cash and GCash only. So, make sure that you are bringing cash with you. Wow, mainit no. Mainit na today. Tapos, ano pa? Yeah, I haven't encountered one na nag-accept ng credit card, maybe the big hotels, but there are few only. So mostly talaga cash and GCash. So or bank transfer pala yun pwede. And what else? Parang most of the waterfalls malalapit lang sila. So ayun. Continue natin mamaya sa pier. Ciao! Shipping lines here in Ocean Jet, Montenegro. So mostly from the Magete.
893.
So guys, kalmado na yung water ngayon. My God. I'm here in Siquijor Port. Nandang nga pa rin tubig sa port. Yeah. So hi guys! I'm here in the Siquijor Port. So this is the end of my video and I hope you enjoyed it. By the way, if you have not seen the famous spot in Siquijor, like the Campo Bahay, I didn't go there because I visited Campo Bahay already, but be ready. Kasi you have to pay a lot in Campo Bahay, like every falls and the guide fee, sino yung magbabantay ng gamit. So ayun lang. And guide fee is actually donation. I hope you enjoyed this and I had super fun.